Hello and welcome to Module 2 of Power BI. In this module, we shall be discussing Power BI software and tools. By way of introduction, why understanding Power BI tool matters. The objective here is to become familiar with software and tools that makes Power BI a powerful analytic platform. The reality is that Power BI is not a single application, but a collection of integrated tools and services. Each component serves a specific purpose in the business intelligence lifecycle. Understanding these tools is essential for developing professional business intelligence solutions. What this model covers include overview of Power BI desktop, service and mobile, installation and configuration of Power BI desktop, navigating the Power BI interface, core Power BI tool, workspace, file types and collaboration feature. By the end of this module, you will have the foundational technical skill to navigate Power BI confidently and begin building your own business intelligence solution. Let us look at overview of Power BI desktop. That is the development hub. What is Power BI desktop? Power BI desktop is the primary report development application used to create data, models, report, and visualization. It is a free window-based application. The key functions include it is used to connect multiple data sources, import and transform data. It is used to create data models and relationships. It is used to build calculation using DAX, that is data analysis expression. It can be used to design report and dashboard, create visualization and chart, and publish report to Power BI service. The benefits include it is user-friendly interface, powerful data model capabilities, extensive visualization option, and free to download and use. Typical users include data analysts, business analysts, report developers, and business intelligence professionals. The key insight here is that Power BI desktop serves as the foundation of most Power BI projects. It is where data preparation, modeling, and report development take place. Now let us look at Power BI service, that is the cloud collaboration hub. What is Power BI service? It is the cloud-based platform that enables users to publish, share, collaborate, and manage reports and dashboard online. The key functions include publishing reports from Power BI desktop. It can be used to create dashboard from reports. It can be used in sharing reports with colleagues, managing workspace, scheduling automatic data refresh, monitor report usage, and collaborating across different teams. Benefits include cloud-based accessibility, real-time collaboration, automated data update, centralized report management, and secure data sharing. Typical users include business manager, executive, department head, and decisions maker. The key insight here is that Power BI service act as the central hub where reports created in desktop are distributed to stakeholders across an organization. Having known that, let us now look at the three components, which is Power BI Mobile, which is the insight on the go. What is Power BI Mobile? It is a mobile application for smartphone and tablet that allow users to access and interact with Power BI report and dashboard while away from their desktops. Now, the key functions include viewing report and dashboard, accessing real-time business metrics, interacting with visualization, receiving data alert and notification, monitoring organizational performance, and sharing insight on the go. Benefits include anytime, anywhere access, mobile-friendly dashboard, real-time monitoring, increased decision-making speed, and enhanced business agility. Typical users include executives, sales managers, field workers, business travelers, and operational managers. The key insight here is that the mobile application provides a responsive viewing experience that adapts reports to different screen sizes. Let us look at how the three components work together. That is the integrated workflow. Step 1, develop your report in your Power BI desktop. That is, connect to data source, transform data, and build report and visualization. Now, step 2, publish this report to Power BI service. Here, upload your report to the cloud, manage and organize content in Workplace, schedule automatic data refresh, and then share with team members. Then step 3, access this report through your Power BI mobile phone. Here, view dashboard on your smartphone and tablet, monitor real-time metrics, receive alert and notification, and then make decisions from anywhere using your Power BI mobile. Real-world application include a sales analytic creates sales performances report in Power BI desktop. Then the report is being published to Power BI server. The managers access the dashboard through Power BI mobile to monitor daily sales performance. Key insight here is that these three components form an integrated ecosystem that deliver business intelligence across the entire organization. Now let us look at installation and configuration of Power BI desktop. The requirement here is that before you can install and configure Power BI in your desktop, you must ensure that your desktop has at least Windows 10 or later version. It must have at least 4 gig RAM. Then you must have access to active internet connection for downloading and update. Then you must also have sufficient disk space for installation and project file. Now, installation steps include download the Power BI desktop from the official Microsoft website, run and run the installation file, then accept the license agreement. Step 4, choose the installation location, then click install and wait for the completion of the installment. Then lastly, launch your Power BI desktop from the menu start. Now, the configuration step, sign in with your Microsoft account, then configure regional settings for date, time, currency, and number, then configure data load settings for performance optimization. Finally, save your first file with the PBIX extension. The key insight here, proper setup ensure the software operates efficiently and it is configured to meet your regional and organizational requirements. Having known that, let us now look at navigating the Power BI interface. That is the main section. Now, the Power BI has the title bar that displays your current report name and provide window control. We have the ribbon menu, which contains commands organized into tabs like Home, Insert, Modeling, View, and it acts as the command center of your Power BI desktop. Now we have the report view menu, which is the default workspace where report and dashboard are designed. It can create visualization, arrange report elements, and build interactive dashboard. Now we have data view menu that allow user to insert, inspect, and explore imported data sets. View table contents, examine individual record, and verify imported data. Now we have model view menu, which provide a visual representation of relationship between a table. It can create table relationship, manage data models, and organize table layout. Now we have visualization pane menu, which contains all available chart and visualization options, including bar chart, line chart, maps, table, and key performance indicators. Now we have the field pane that displays all tables, column measures, and hierarchies loaded into the report. Now we have the filter pane menu that allow users to filter data at visual, page, or report level. Now lastly, we have report canvas menu, which is the central workspace where reports are created. It is the place of visualization, arrange layout, and design dashboard. Now let us look at that is core Power BI tools. That is the Power Query. What is Power Query? Power Query is the Power BI data presentation and transformation tool. It follows the ETL process. That is extract, transform, and load. Accessing your Power Query Click the transform data on the home tab in Power BI desktop. Now, the key function of the Power Query, it can be used to import data from multiple sources, remove duplicate record, filter unwanted data, rename columns, change data type, split and merge columns. It can be used to merge multiple data sets, append tables, and create custom columns. Example, a sales data set with inconsistent date format and blank record can be cleaned, that is, remove blank rows, standardize date format, rename column headings, and eliminate duplicate. The benefits include that it helps to improve data quality, reduce manual preparation, automates repetitive tasks, and support multiple data sources. The key insight here is that quality analysis begins with quality data. Power Query ensure your data is clean before analysis begin. Let us look at that is the core Power BI tool, that is data view and data uh, model view. Data view can be used to access data via data view icon on the left navigation pane. So access your data view on the left navigation pane, display important tables in a spreadsheet-like format. Then it can allow user to examine table content, verify important data, review individual record, and create calculated columns. It helps validate data accuracy and identify inconsistencies. Data view can serve as the bridge between data preparation and data model. Now, model view it can be accessed via the model view icon on the left navigation pane. It provides a graphical representation of data of table relationship. That model view enable user to create table relationship, define cardinalities, organize table layout, and build efficient data model. Type of relationship can be one-to-one relationship. Here, each record matches one record in another table. We have one-to-many relationship. Here, one record relates to multiple records in another table, which is the most common type of relationship. Now, we have many-to-many relationship. Here, multiple records relate across different tables. The key insight here is that a well-designed model improves report performance and analytical accuracy. Now let us look at how Power Query, Data View, and Model View work together. That is data workflow. Step 1, the Power Query. Here, data is extracted from different source system. Here, data is cleaned and transformed. Unwanted records and columns are removed. Then data types are standardized. Then under the data view, the loaded data is being inspected, data accuracy is validated, calculated columns can be added, and table structures are examined. Then under the model view, relationships between tables are created, data structures are organized, hierarchies are defined, and the model is optimized for analysis. So the complete workflow is raw data is now transformed using Power Query, then down to data view, down to model view, then you now produce your report and dashboard. Now the key insights here, each tool serves a unique purpose, but together they create a complete data analysis environment. Now let us look at workspace, that is organizing Power BI content. What is a workspace? It is a collaborative environment within your Power BI service where users create, manage, store, and share reports, dashboard, dataset, and other Power BI content. Types of workspace include 1. My workspace, which is personal workspace for individual use. Here, private to user, it is private to users and it is ideal for learning and experimentation, not intended for team collaboration. Now we have share workspace, which is designed for team-based collaboration. It supports multiple users, allow content sharing, enable permission management. Example, a sales analytics workspace where analysts and managers collaborate with each other. Now we have workspace role for access control. Here, you can give access to administrator that manages workspace settings and user, member that creates, edit and publish content, contributor that add and modify content with limited admin privilege, and viewers who can only view the content. The key insight is that workspace helps organization organize content by department, project, team, or business function. Having known that, let us look at file types and collaboration features. Now, Power BI file types include, it can be in PBIX, which is the primary Power BI desktop file format. It can be in PBIT, which is Power BI template file. It can be in PBIDS, which is data source connection file. Now, let us look at collaboration features in Power BI service. Report sharing, here share report directly with colleagues with control permission. Now dashboard sharing, share dashboard across departments for unified performance monitoring. Now we have Power BI apps, which is package report and dashboard into a single distribution platform for simplified content delivery. Now we have comment and discussion, add comments to report and dashboard to facilitate communication and feedback. Now we have data refresh scheduling, automatically refresh data set daily, weekly, or at a custom interval. Now we have integration with Microsoft tool, which is the seamless integration with Excel, Team, SharePoint, and Outlook. In conclusion, your technical foundation for Power BI, you have now explored the fundamental software component and tool that makes up the Power BI platform. What you have learned in this module include Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Mobile, how the three components work together in an integrated workflow, installation and configuration of Power BI Desktop, the navigation of Power BI interface, the core tools, which is Power Query for data presentation, data view for validation, and model view for relationship. Workspace, uh, file types, and collaboration features. The key takeaway here is that understanding the Power BI software environment and its tool is essential before moving on to the more advanced tasks such as connecting to data source, transforming data, creating models, and developing interactive dashboards. Next step, in the next module, you will begin working directly with data by learning how to connect to Power BI to various sources, import information, and establish the foundation for meaningful analysis and reporting. Master the tool, master the insight. Thank you and have a nice day.